Kadai chicken recipe in Punjabi style. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now add cumin. Add cinnamon. Add green cardamom. Add cloves. Add bay leaves. Add chopped ginger garlic. Add chopped onions. Let onion turns into light brown color. Add 1½ spoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of chili powder. Add 1 spoon of garam masala. Add 1 spoon of turmeric. Add 1 spoon of the deji mirch. Add 1 spoon of chicken masala. Add 1 spoon of kasturi methi. Add capsicum. Add 1 cup of fresh cream. Mix it well for 1–2 minutes at low flame. Add chicken. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it for 15 to 20 minutes at low flame. Add fresh coriander. Now our chicken kadai is ready, tasty and yummy.